How to use Rev points on Revolut. Now, first of all, open your Revolut app and go to Help tab, and at the bottom of the screen, tap on Help. This is where all your features and extra are located. After that, search for Rev points. So use the search bar at the top on type Rev points, tap on it when it shows up. And after that, tap on Use points. So inside the Rev points screen, you will see an option like Use points, Earn more, and Buy points. And tap on Use points to see available rewards. And now you can redeem the points or Rev points for air miles, hotel stays and experience on shops. So fly-in air miles, as you can see, you will get one of air miles for every Rev points you earn, and you can use these miles on major airlines such as KLM, British Airways, and Air France, among the others. The hotel stays, so you can use your Rev points for money of hotels stays all over the world, and when you book through Revolut stays, earn 5,000 points and you will get up to $100 off. Now, Revolut experience as well as stays. Revolut also offers experiences from walk-in tours and yachts, cruises to hot air balloon rides and spa breaks. So the number of points required to redeem and the discount you will get depends on the individual experience as well as your Revolut plan. And Play or Revolut Play discounts, so you can get discounts on shopping at the top brands when you pay with Revolut Pay, and take a look in the Revolut app to see which shops and brands are included. Now choose a reward, tap on the rewards you like or rewards that you like, check how many points are needed, then tap on redeem, and after that confirm and enjoy. So once you confirm, your points will be dedicated and you will get the rewards instantly or by email depending on the offers. So a tip: rewards change often, so check back regularly to make the most of your points. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.